Want to stop using the TV remote and control your ONN Roku TV with your iPhone or Android? Here's how to turn your smartphone into a Roku TV remote. First of all, you'll need to connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi as your ONN Roku TV. If your TV has a different Wi-Fi, then you can connect it to your router using an Ethernet cable, or change your Wi-Fi name to match your TV's Wi-Fi. And now that we are on the same Wi-Fi, open the Google Play Store or the App Store if you have an iPhone. Now search for the Roku app. Here it is. Just make sure it's from Roku Incorporated. Now go ahead, install and open it. Press continue, keep pressing next, and allow the notification prompts. Now when it asks you to sign in using a Roku account, you can just select continue as a guest if you want. Now all you need to do is go to the Remotes tab, then hit Connect Now, and allow the local network permission. And in a moment, your ONN Roku TV will appear here just like ours. So click on it, and boom! Your phone is now connected to your ONN Roku TV. So switch back to the Remotes tab, and you'll see it's the exact same Roku remote. So now you have the power to fully control your Roku TV just like you did before. So make sure to leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.